What's up guys, hope all is good. In today's video we're going to talk about a unique topic, and we're going to talk about the topic of misspellings. How can you use misspellings in your listing? How can you weave them in to your keywords for your own benefit? Before I dive into exactly how to use misspellings, I want to just make one announcement. So many of you have signed up for my free course, and I really do appreciate that. So many of you are also asking me a lot of questions in regards to some of the videos in the free course, and that's totally cool as well. I just want to make one thing clear, guys. I always respond to every email that I get personally, but for the simple fact that there's only 24 hours in a given day, I have decided to go ahead and create a Facebook group. So yes, I've created a Facebook group for all course members, and it's actually a public group, so anyone can essentially join. If you know any friends or family that's also selling on Amazon or interested in selling on Amazon, then don't hesitate to let me know. If you want to join the Facebook group, there will be a link for it in the description. Again, it's obviously completely free. It's a Facebook group, so really nothing to lose there. I will see it on the inside. Guys, so what exactly do I mean by misspellings or misspelled keywords? Well, first things first, I just typed in camping hammock to my favorite keyword tool, which is the Helium 10 magnet tool. Obviously, you know I always recommend this tool because I believe it is the best. But anyway, I typed in camping tent up here into the keyword search. I hit search, and then I got all these keywords spit back at me. And what we're basically doing here is we're going to take a couple of our main keywords we know for sure that we'd want to use inside of our own Amazon listing, and then we are going to take these keywords and plug them into another tool here within Helium 10 in order to find out the misspelling versions of those words that actually get typed into Amazon on a much more regular basis than you would probably imagine. Alright guys, so what I've done is I've just taken a few of the top keywords that we found on the magnet tool, and I'm just going to now copy and paste them into the Helium 10 Frankenstein tool that you see right here. And basically all we're doing now is condensing all these words into single words, because all we care about in the end is finding the misspellings of the individual single word. And as you know, there is no benefit in repeating the single word. All we want is the misspelling for each individual word. So we're going to go here, we're going to copy and paste these, we're going to go add one word or phrase per line, remove duplicates, and that should be good to go. We're going to hit process. So here we go. These are all these single words from these original keywords over here. We're now going to take these single words, copy them, and here's where the magic begins. We go to the Helium 10 misspellinator tool, we paste them here, and we hit prepare. And we're going to go ahead and select all of them and find misspellings. So let's let this do its thing for a second. It usually takes, maybe 20-30 seconds. Obviously more depending on if you have more words than this. Alrighty guys, so here are the results that it spit back, and there are just a couple things you want to keep in mind and specific things we're going to be looking for. So the first thing is, let's start from top. See this? Select non-autocorrect misspellings. This is what we're going after, because for most misspellings, Amazon will actually autocorrect for. So let me show you a really quick example of what I mean by that. So let's go camping, camping hammock with 2 Ks, right? Hit search. And you see this right here, showing results for camping hammock, the proper spelling instead of the misspelling that I typed in. So this is what we call autocorrect. Amazon is autocorrecting for my misspelling, so they are displaying the same listings on this first page that they would display if I had spelled the word right. So we don't care about those words, right? We only care about the ones that Amazon does not autocorrect for, because we know that the majority of our competition is not going to be indexed for that misspelled word. Alright, so here we go guys. This is so perfect example, right? Hammock right here. Amazon does not autocorrect. This is the column we want to pay attention to. And luckily for us, usually it's always going to be already pre-selected with that green check mark if we leave this setting on. So hammock right here, I would copy and paste this into a WordPad document somewhere and just save it for later. I'm going to get into exactly where to place these words later on in the video. Let's scroll down, and you see the ones that are shaded in green here but not with a check mark. That is due to the fact that it has a yes right here, which means Amazon is auto-correcting for it, which means we don't care about it. So this is apparently a potential misspelling for the word gear, just ger, G-E-R. You know, I might take this and copy and paste it. You will notice that there's going to be some misspellings that are like 100% definitely the misspelled version that the customer has messed up. There will be some misspellings of the real properly spelled word that just won't make sense at all, and we just kind of disregard those. Kind of just a common sense thing here. This is close enough though where I would jot this one down. This one probably not. Let's see, tenet. Maybe I would jot that one. Double. Yep, these are definitely good. Let's go tree. So yeah, T and R are right next to each other on the keyboard, so it's very possible that someone just missed the T and went straight for the R-E-E. I might consider this one and jot it down. This one, definitely not. Two. Yeah, again, the P and the O are right next to each other on the keyboard, meaning that this TWP is probably a legit misspelling. And probably also the TW. Maybe these, I'm not exactly sure. You guys can just use your own common sense. Person. These might be good. So you see how amazing this is, guys? Wow, well, this is a 100% money keyword right here, right? Backpacking. Just backpacking without the C. And it's Amazon does not autocorrect for that. See, those are the little gems we can uncover here, guys. And we can copy and paste these words. And what we're going to do with these words, with all these of our top misspellings, what we're going to do with them is place them into our back-end search field in our product listing. That's the search field that has that 250 character limit. People like to stick brand names. Some people like to stick misspellings, which is what I do. Some people like to stick in Spanish keywords. So let me give you what I do in the back-end search field. So I used to place all the brand names of my competitors in there, which is, you know, sort of a gray area in terms of the Amazon terms of service. I've obviously never had any problems with it, but what I will say is this: it doesn't have much effect on my listing's success or sales. What I have found to be my winning strategy for my back-end search fields on Amazon is, number one, the best misspellings for my product. Number two, the Spanish variations of all of my keywords. So let me just do a quick rundown of how exactly I do that. It's so brain dead simple, guys. So guys, literally all I did was go to Google, type in English to Spanish translation, and what I'm going to do is just copy and paste those same keywords that we use to find the misspellings right here. Boom, we get all the Spanish variations. I will plug those into my back-end search field along with the misspellings. It's actually incredible how much I have found a rise in the importance of Spanish keywords, because more and more people are definitely typing in these Spanish variations to search and buy products, just from my own data and analyzation. So guys, I hope this video was really helpful. I believe it definitely is. If you found value out of it, if you want to pursue this, if you're going to implement this into your listing today, again, you know, I always give you guys actionable things that you can implement in your business today. There's none of that high-level information. I'll leave that to the other channels on YouTube. I give you real-world information, what works today, what is making sales, what's making money, things that you can actually do to make a difference. So if you found value in this video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you missed my announcement at the beginning of the video, I did just open up a brand new Facebook group for all of you guys who watch my videos and are inside of my free course. I'm excited for that. It's going to be a nice way for us to stay in touch, communicate, and problem solve. So guys, have a great day. I'm Coulis, and I'm signing out.